Let's talk today about how to reset the LitoKam camera. As you can see, I have one here, it's working, and I have an extra one close to my window. So let's say, for example, I lose the password for the camera and want to reset it. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is just get the camera and use the reset button that's just right here, okay? So on the back of the camera, you see the reset button, and you just need to press and hold for some time, and the camera is going to reset. So I come here, I press the button and hold.
Device reset.
And you hear the information about the device reset, and you're ready to go. And then you're gonna see the LED start blinking here. So basically, it's going to ask you to configure the camera again, to set up the camera again, right? So it just takes like 30 to 40 seconds and you're ready to go. You just need to wait because the camera reloads. And here you go, it's waiting to connect. And right now the LED here is blinking, all right? And you just need to come to your app. I'm just put the camera here and come here to my app. And here on the app, you just need to come here to add a device. Select your new device. Here, click to confirm that the indicator is blinking. And here you need to select your 2.4 gigahertz, right? If you're using a different network, different band, you must select the 2.4. Let me just change it here to 2.4 because right now I'm using 5 gigahertz and that's different. I need to use 2.4. So here we go. I just changed it on my cell phone to use the 2.4. That's really important, okay? And then I come back here and I have the username and password for my Wi-Fi. Just click next. And now I need to point the camera to the cell phone, just like this. So you can read the QR code. Okay, it just got it. And I heard the prompt.
Connect success.
Click here and just wait for the camera to connect again. And I'm ready to go. Done. So it's retrieving video, and here we go. I have video from this camera. Everything is working here, and I'm good to go, okay? So that's the way you can reset your LitoKam camera. Pretty easy. You just need to press and hold the button, and you can set up the camera again, all right? So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.